Hello and welcome to SudoKanard. We're here to solve this even Sudoku puzzle which was featured in the round 7 of 2022 WPF Sudoku Grand Prix, organized by the Netherlands, and at this point I still don't know who exactly created this puzzle. It was worth 45 points, and the special rule is that all those shaded cells must contain even digits. And considering that, it's almost a classic Sudoku with just a few restrictions on a few cells. It's like a special case of pencil mark Sudoku, you could say. And I was a bit surprised that it would be worth so much, because compared with the irregular Sudoku, which was worth 44 points, this one seemed very easy in comparison. Well, I just try not to do a fool of myself now that I've been saying this, and let's get on with the solve. So, well, obviously I started by pencil marking all those cells because that's what I do. But I'm just noticing here that this cell has to be a 3, because that's the only possible value. The remaining of the row must contain 1, 2, and 9. So we have 5 values here. Here we need 5, 7, and 8. So we have some other 5 values. Something else I'm seeing is that with those 9s, we must have a 9 somewhere here, but it's not an even digit. Last time I checked, it was not. This 7 is not here, and it's not an even digit, so 7 must be here. And you see that those 3 cells must contain even digits. So let's just pencil mark. Let's just brute force the pencil mark. So this has to be a 2 because of this. It resolves the 1, 2, 9 triple. So this must be from 6, 8. This must be from 2, 4. This has 4 values at this point. This must be 4 or 8. This must be 2 or 8. And this must be 4 or 6. So now, this 2 makes this a 4. Sorry about that. This is 2, 6, or 8. And now the rest is just plain old standard Sudoku. So where should I look? This row needs a 1. It can only be here. It needs 6, 7, and 8. So candidates in here. This row here needs 3, 5, 7, and 9. So this is 3 or 5. This is 3, 7, or 9. 3 is not in here, it must be here, and because of this, we get a 3 in this cell. And we must have a 3 somewhere in here. This row needs 4, 6, and 8. So this is 4 or 8. This is 6 or 8, and I'm noticing in this column a 4, 8 pair, so that's a 2. And there's a 2 in here. And actually, this is a 6. I disregarded this given 4 because, there again, that's what I do. So that's not a 6 anymore. We get the 4, 8 pair here, so that's a 6. And we get a 6 up there. That's a 5, 7, 8 triple. And the 1 on this row can only be here. That's a 3, which pushes the 3 to this cell. And up there we have a 7, 8, 9 triple, and here that's a 3, 4, 5 triple, so that's a 5, and a 3, 4 pair. And this column still needs 2, 6, and 7, so that's 6 or 7, that's 2, 6, or 7, and we get a quadruple here. 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 7, 8 quadruple, and 7 has to be in one of those two, so 7 is pushed in to this cell, and that's not a 7. We need a 1 somewhere, it can only be here. So that's a, and 5 can only be here, and 3 can only be here, and that's a 9. It resolves the 3-4 pair at the top, that's not a 4 anymore. And this can only be 2, 4, or 8. And there's still some disambiguating to be done with even digits in here. On this row we get a 6, 7, 8 triple, and 3, which is not here, has to go there. And I could have seen that earlier. Those 2 digits must be 7 and 9. This 6 makes this a 4. I need a 1 here, that's 5 or 8. I need this 8. I tend to disregard given digits. That's really something I'm doing. That's a 1. 9 can only be here, that's a 7. That's a 5, 7 pair. And it pushes the 7 to this cell. This is an even digit, that's 4, 6, or 8. That's not 7 anymore. And those 2 digits are 5 and 9. That's correct. That's not 7, so on this row 7 can only be here. It resolves the triple on top. This 8 makes this a 6. So it resolves some more stuff. 2 and 6 there, 2 here. And then what? This is from 5 and 8. I still need a 6 somewhere. It must be here. And this is 4, 5, or 8. So I could use uniqueness there. I don't remember using uniqueness when I saw this puzzle. Actually, I really don't need uniqueness. This 9 makes this a 5. So that's 8, that's 4, that's 8, that's 9. And this 8 disambiguates the lot. So that's 8, that's 5, 7, 8, 7, and 5. And really, as I was saying in the beginning, this puzzle was, I think, was overvalued at 45 points. Well, I took the points wholeheartedly, I must say. And it was very well done. It's just, I don't think it was worth that much. Because it was, maybe it was because of the quadruple. Maybe I was fortunate to spot the quadruple in this region. I don't remember which cells it were concerned. I think it was 2, 6, 7, and 8. Maybe I was just fortunate to spot the quadruple so early. And I don't see anything else to add. Thanks for watching this video and see you soon on SudoKanard.